Hello YouTube, this is Boche from Shrike Leather. I started my channel a couple of days ago. My plan is to present you with my work. Since I'm a huge fan of ADC videos on YouTube, for the first video I decided to show you my mini ADC kit. So first you have a wallet. This is medium minimalistic wallet. Since I'm not huge fan of the B-fold wallets or card holders, I decided to design wallet myself. So I came up with this design. When you open this flap here, you get access to your cards. When you open this flap, you can take your cash out. When you need to put cash back in, wallet opens pretty wide. You get these smaller packets here, where you can put your memory cards or some smaller items. You also have a coin pocket for spare change. This wallet is made from vegetarian leather 3 years ago. And as you can see, it has beautiful patina. The stitching is holding pretty good. Zipper is working fine. And it's getting better and better with age. As you can see, it is connected with this paracord to this little pouch here. Beautiful patina on it also. So you have these two straps that hold everything together close. When you open the straps, first you have a Spydeco ladybug. It's made from SDP 189. It holds edge forever. It's a pretty good little knife. I added this little piece of paracord here for better grip. You have a mini big lighter. For multi-tool, I use Gerber dime. This is great little mini tool. You have to be aware of the limitation that this has. After all, this is only a keychain multi-tool. It's not meant for hardcore use. I have a flashlight here. Smart Attack AAA battery, copper. Has beautiful patina on it. Next, a little pry bar. Actually, this is also a multi-tool because you have these little wrenches. Next, it's a roll of duct tape, a lot of duct tape. And inside I hold a couple of needles and a couple of feet of black thread. And in this little packet I hold some painkillers, some band-aids, electrician tape, this is some rubber strip. If you need to tie some things up, you can use this. And you also have a little bit of wire, and a razor blade. This is also made 3 years ago from H10 leather. I love this patina. So that's it. If you like my video and my work, please hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks.